Boil the water in the pot or boiled water was added to the pot. Add the spaghetti after the water boils in the pot. Boil the spaghetti in hot water for about 10 minutes. After the spaghetti is cooked, drain the water. Ingredients for Neapolitan sauce. Half a tea glass of olive oil. A clove of garlic. Half a jar of chopped tomatoes or 2 tomatoes. A tablespoon of tomato paste. A teaspoon of basil. A teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of salt. Add half a cup of olive oil to the pan. Finely chop a garlic clove. Fry the garlic in olive oil. Add half a jar of chopped tomato after the garlic is fried. After the tomatoes are cooked, add tomato paste, basil, pepper and salt. After adding all the ingredients, continue cooking the sauce for about 5 minutes. When the sauce is ready, add the sauce over the spaghetti. Grate Parmesan cheese or cheddar on the spaghetti.